Now, we've produced a lot of DVDs to help you get familiar with equipment and begin to learn to do eggshells or steel or gun stocks or furniture, whatever direction, glass or metal that you're going to go into. But we also offer hands-on courses on every subject. So if you'll give us a call at the 800 number, we can kind of go through the complete program for you. If you realize that we've got three distinct packages. This is ultra-high speed, air, turbine, power carving and engraving. Next, we have micro sandblasting. I kept bumping into the possibility of 300 of these crystal books to do for one client, exact same thing, and I didn't want to engrave 300 identical things. So we developed a micro sandblaster. This is the word to pay attention to. There's a lot more money in small things than there is doing tombstones and great big rocks. So we'll show you next. I've got a whole demonstration we're doing here on micro sandblasting. And then commercial range airbrushing is our newest program, but we literally can have you learning to do this kind of airbrushing in a 4-day training class, which is just almost unheard of. So from all pneumatic systems, all 3 air, all 3 graphic art, they are really great hobbies. Well, thank you for taking your valuable time with me, and I hope there's something there that'll light a fire for you. A lot of people get so motivated when they begin to realize they can take something like a gourd. This is Denny Wainscott's work, and push it from here on up. His last gourd just sold for $20,000. And to go from a gourd to even an eggshell, this is an ostrich egg that I just finished. Sometimes I can't believe how far it's come, and it's been such an amazing thing in my life to be able to take custom engraving and push it on into the marketplace to benefit not only myself but thousands of others now as well. A lot of people will make the decision to try and go find a cheap tool and try and do what you just saw us do, but these tools are commercial grade tools, and I don't know how long it takes some people to learn that you can go buy a $110 scroll saw or you can buy a scroll saw. You really have to realize that in this world of tools and training and hand holding, you get what you pay for. We have another DVD. If you haven't looked at the whole television show that we have available now on the web, you can fill out the information and submit it, and we'll send you a copy of this, or you can actually look at it now right live on the internet. This is the story of our network and our members, because it went from equipment to a package, and from a package then on into people's lives. And I think we have the best overall program in the world now for turning a hobby, a great hobby, into an even greater business. So if we can help you get started, I hope you'll take time to look at the other 2 programs, our airbrushing and our sandblasting. This is one of the network members. I bought this rock for him. You know, rocks are free if you know where to pick them up. And they put a quote on here: "The miracle isn't that I finished, the miracle is that I had the courage to start." And that's probably what's most required in this whole process of going from your normal world, your as-is world, to a profitable hobby is doable, and we think we've got the map and the plan to be able to help you do just that. So take a look now. The SBA says the #1 reason for small business failure is lack of a business plan, and ours is called Aim Your Life. So we try and show you now how to take the subject of custom engraving, micro sandblasting, or commercial airbrushing, and over a 7-step period of time turn it into a profitable hobby. Maybe that's where you should start. Get your studio going today. A year from now, you're going to be really glad that you did.